here I am in the cleaning shed. Here's my coho. So I put this mixture of cilantro, olive oil, grapefruit juice, ground up garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna smear this thing with it. And then I'm gonna take these tomatoes and cut them up and stick them all over there, wrap this up in foil, and then start my charcoal grill on the Weber and bake it for about 40 minutes. And that's gonna be my wild game. I caught this fish in Lake Michigan, so this is what it is. Badger Farm Girl cooking. Yay! Alright, that's what it look like. So roll her up in foil. There she is. Now to go fire up the grill. Yay! I have no idea what this is. I have no idea how this is gonna taste, but it doesn't matter. I got an entry into the competition. I'm gonna be honest with you. These are not the conditions I was hoping for. But I'm not giving up yet. I don't give up easy. All day to cook this fish. God.
Fire's
it up.
Ready. Quite ready again.
Tell you what, what time is it? I might need.
Right there by that beer.
I hope so.
The team name, you can either put favorite dish. I don't know. So one score 1 through 10 on the thing taste 50% appearance.
Lord help me. Help me.
You'll get it.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Do them all.
Look at this. This is all I have. Here. Alright, I'm gonna slide this over a little bit. Like fresh salmon. Here, come over here and taste that before it goes all cold. What's that? Here's the coho that we caught. Taste it.
Smells really good. This is bear.
Alright, coho salmon. Lake Michigan. Coho salmon. Yeah. And it's hot. Come here. It's hot. Come and taste this. Here.
Like a tartar?
No, this is coho. Just grab some. Good old Lake Michigan.
All right, team.
Walleye who? Walleye Copio Grata Hay. Grata Hater. Pretty close. You gotta hate.
I didn't do very well in home ec. My presentation. Hot off the grill.
Right off the grill. There you go.
Camping style.
Yeah.
Well, I better move that over. I don't know where my... I really don't.
What again? Walleye, cupola, cha-cha. Walleye dish.
Grab a piece of that.
It is delicious.
It's delicious.
What is it? What is that? Venison. It's it might be a 10. It's not a 10 or
Good. What?
Screw the weather. We're just gonna eat good food. Shoot wild game all day. Wow. Yeah, they're more sweet and spicy.
Do we know all the judges?
No, there's lots of judges coming.
Oh, but I mean, if we want to go and take a bite, is it okay for us to do that?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We're better together.
Yeah, you got that.
What was that?
Hey, she's on
That is
film.
delicious.
You can't give it.
See, you should just hang out with us more. I'm just like, you're gonna be on my YouTube channel, so you gotta watch me.
Hopefully you're editing all this.
Well, yeah, that's next week, you know.
Stuff on here. You don't need this to get out. Only no water get.
No one's gonna go home starving, that's for sure.
Oh, no.
When I was so sure that I'm scooping up, that it
So last year they were judging Easter baskets, and now they got the good stuff. No, I think that's turkey.
All right. Where do I go and where do I do with this?
Whose idea was this? Yours?
Only braids this operation.
Sasha. Do it. What is it? Do you know?
It is shucker lettuce wrap.
What's it? A shucker like a bird?
A shucker is like a mini partridge
In a pear tree.
in a pear tree.
And the face is
Good. If I was a judge, this would be
Oh, those are venison wrap something. All right. You done good, Mom?
what's under the foil here. Open it.
biscuits or something.
It's what?
Biscuits or something.
The buzzed beaver.
Look at the buzzed beaver. Oh my lord. Everybody needs a little buzzed beaver in their life. Here, turn around. Oh,
Did you see the buzzed beaver? Oh, nice. Buzzed beaver. Only Barb would bring that, right?
I don't know. I have to check that out yet.
More attention to mine. Let me show you. Here was mine. This was this was the goose sliders, but this is the actual goose. So I thought I would get an extra point.
You got me on that because I just saw
Cheat, cheat, cheat.
she even got the empty sitting out.
Yeah, right. So
Actually, you hit it with a car and just shot it with the
kind of go around out my back door to get it perfect. Walleyes up in there this morning.
We're in first place for a while, so
I know,
my son
I
and
know.
beach if I have physically.
Larry would be proud.
Yeah, oh, by the way, Larry called and said next year he wants in. Let him know
Okay.
he's coming over.
All right,
Called and said he's got, show the table where all the gifts we got for him. Larry sent some stuff over. We got, hey, everybody! Or tell them where they can see the winnings they won, the trophy stuff, where you're posting it.
Go to our Facebook, WI Womenfish. We'll post all the winners there, and if we use a lot of the dishes, come back, we can post the winning recipe. If they'll give it up, I'm not sure they'll
Shut up!
give it
That's
up.
competition. Why? We didn't say that. We cut that. All right, thanks, Barb, for letting me come along. I'm ready. I'm going to add up all my scores. I can't really see your names on it. Okay. All right.
I was gonna bring some, but I didn't want to take anything out of the cabin.
So what do you guys think so far?
Oh, it's been awesome.
Is it?
Yeah, anytime we can come fishing.
Snow? Snow's okay?
Snowstorm, hail, what the heck?
Hell, what the hell?
Yeah, that's right, what the
If I
heck?
had to go to work, I'm sorry, I wouldn't have made it. But we're going fishing. That made me.
That's right.